Hello, my name is Jay and welcome to my channel. I want to say that this video is not an attack, this is a record. I'm making this video because I was forced to leave my university and return to my home country, and to this day my questions have not been answered. I enrolled at the University Yerba del Atlantico in good faith. I attended classes, I followed instructions, I communicated openly. Then suddenly, I was told I could no longer attend or even observe classes without written explanation. Everything I share today is either my direct experience or audio recordings of conversations that I was part of. I'm not stating conclusions, I'm asking questions. Starting with three people: Ruben Perez, Paula Quintano, and Jesus Peña. Starting with Ruben, I'm going to have his face blurred out, but his name is presented. Ruben told me I was no longer allowed to attend or observe classes. What I'm trying to understand is who made that decision. Who instructed you to tell me I could no longer attend classes? Was this decision documented? Was it reviewed by an academic leadership? And why was I never given a written explanation? Now, for Paula Quintano, she is the director of the translation program, which is the program that I came to Spain to enter in. We had a deal, and I came here specifically to be part of her program and to learn. I will present her photo, blurred with her name, and if you'd like to check the description for the Unanswered personnel, I will leave that there. However, Paula Quintano later stated that she never told me I was allowed to attend classes or to observe classes, that she never gave this permission. And with that, I want to insert this audio of her telling me that it was never her decision, but she also could never tell me why or who made the decision. And with that, let's listen.
Words, but first of all, when you came here, I did not know that that was a possibility, so I couldn't suggest it myself back that time.
Not suggested, but you allowed it.
I didn't allow it. I was told that you had the possibility to observe, but that was not my choice. That's okay.
So when I came and started here, did I show up to classes randomly on my own?
No, of course not, but somebody else saw you that, not myself, or somebody else told me that you had the possibility, but again, that was not my decision.
To allow me to observe the classes that I was in.
That was not my own decision, I said. I just told the person responsible that everyone, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about everyone who is interested in doing the program has to have officially a C1 Spanish level. That was what I said.
Okay.
Written.
Okay. This audio is from a conversation where I was told the complete opposite. I came here a year ago, and Paula, myself, and my mother had a meeting with Paula and was informed that I would be able to observe my classes during the first year until my Spanish was at a C1 level. With that, I was taken out of my classes with no explanation, and yet Paula denies ever allowing me to observe. So my questions for you is, if I was never allowed to observe classes, then I have questions. Who gave me permission? Who informed the professors that I would be in their classes? Why was I allowed to attend multiple translation courses? And if I wasn't allowed, why wasn't I stopped any earlier? For Jesus Peña, the dean, the headmaster of this university, I will show an image of him here with his face blurred, but his name. I brought concerns of harassment and discrimination to him as the academic leadership. I also brought these concerns to Paula, the director of the translation program, and with that, nothing was done. This was the response that I received from Jesus Peña, and we can listen to that audio now.
You consider that yourself have done everything perfectly, for example, in social media or other context? I believe.
What do you mean?
If you want to stop the relation with our citizens right now, or what do you want?
That's to be determined. That's to be determined.
We can can offer you the refund of the 360 euros of the.
Why was no investigation initiated? Why did you refuse to not investigate the students who were harassing me every day and discriminating against me for where I come from? Why was the issue redirected instead of addressed? Why was I left without academic access, explanation, or support? I formally requested my records under the GDPR law in Spain, which is exactly the same in America, except it's known as HIPAA. And with this, under Article 15, I am allowed to request specific documentation of everything that has to do with me. And with that, I requested all documentation of questions that I asked in this video to these people. And I'm still waiting for full transparency. And with that, I have not heard nothing. I've been in contact with a data protection officer, but nothing has been sent to me or communicated to me. This video exists because silence leaves no other option to me. They fully isolated me and took me away from the rest of the students due to not wanting to handle the situation at hand. I'm not asking for punishment, I'm asking for answers. If anyone from the university wishes to respond, I welcome it, publicly or privately.